What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. Now, today I got a little something different. This is a bonus video. It's not the main video for the day. I know I got the red. Listen, I got the red sunglasses. I got the Dream Chasing Geo merch on deck. Got the red and black watch on. I know I'm looking official today. I know. Got the fresh felines on deck. Yeah, I'm ready to go. But anyways, what we're going to be getting into today is a little different. Also, if you guys like the double uploads during the week and stuff, let me know if you like that there's more content than normal on the channel. And maybe I'll continue doing it. Like, we'll have our regular auction stuff, walk around stuff. Maybe we'll have like a couple repair videos here and there. I have so much content to edit for the two Copart cars that we have now. But, so let's go ahead and talk about what today's video is about. You guys have asked, hey, we see what the auction looks like at Copart, and we see how all of that goes down, but could you show us what IAA looks like? And in case y'all didn't know, I've worked with IAA in the past. I've done videos out there. I haven't done anything with them in a little bit over a year because of COVID and everything else. And it's not the same process as like going to Copart. You kind of get on a list with them, and then you can pretty much go, you just clear it with the yard manager in whatever city you're in and just do your thing. It's not like that with IA. It's like they got to get they got to get some paperwork done for every place that you go. So it's a little bit more cumbersome. But anywho's, today we're going to get into some live auction footage, and I'm going to show you guys how that works. So let's jump right into it. What is up, guys? We've got a little bit of a bonus video for you guys today before the regular Copart walk around and live auction. This one is from IAA. Now, you guys have asked a lot about it, so I figured I'd get into it. This is Insurance Auto Auctions. Now, I've been there before. There's a couple in my area.
Time extended. It's
just a little bit more of a process to go do walk-arounds and stuff there than it is with other places that I do. But I'm a little pissed because I just recorded like 20 minutes of this stuff for you guys, but the screen recorder on the iPhone, because I am running beta software, did not catch it. But I just wanted to run through some of these cars so you can see what IAA is looking like, and you guys can tell me what you think about the user experience and all of that. It's addicting to me. It sounds like a Mario game. Ding, ding. It's like picking up coins or busting blocks in Mario. And then cars here are also going way cheaper.
Reserve off.
Look at this. Actual cash value on this, $22,765. They're going cheap. Run and drive. I mean, that needs a lot of work, though. Let's look at stuff that's coming up. Okay, that key is sold. Salvage. And it will tell you what the issue is with the title. Repossessed, Missouri. That's clean. And you can click on them and then see item is not on the block yet, but you can see what the actual cash value is and all of that. So I kind of like the user experience on this app. And one of the things I really like is notice how the photos keep changing as the bidding is going. So you get, on Copart, you kind of have to manually go through and look at stuff. But this one is it's almost like being at an auction with a car rolling through the lane, The thing I don't like about IAA is they can do that time extended, aka bonus time, more than once. Like, more than once. You could be bidding, like, I got this, I'm going to win this vehicle, and then you get hit with time extended again. So I don't know who would be bidding this up, man. What is that, a Fiat Panda? Is that what they call that thing overseas? 2018 Toyota Avalon. Oof. Nobody bid on it. Look, bid $3,000. All right. Oh, now, yeah. One person bid on it, and then you saw that, right? They went nuts.
Sale pending.
I bet.
Reserve off.
150 bucks. Up, 175. What's it worth? 2,200. That's the
Time
actual
extended.
cash value. Oh, it's got 212,000 miles on it.
Sold.
200 bucks. Gone. We are looking at the Kansas City yard today. Man.
Time extended. Sale pending.
Forerunner. Now that's actually not a bad deal right there. How much? Yeah, about 4,400. Oof. Don't go more than 1,300.
Sale
Wow,
pending.
they're selling for like a third of retail. I'm
Reserve
shocked,
off.
man. Look at this GMC Sierra, man. The hell? It's a theft recovery. Actual cash value is $17,008. Man, try to keep it under 7,500, man. I know it's a pickup truck, though. They're going to bid it up. It'll probably go more than 50% of retail. I'm guessing. Especially where it's a quad cab. Yeah. Yeah, y'all are tripping. Y'all are over 50% now. Y'all are tripping. Well, at least we know it's not confined to just Copart. We can see that they're also overbidding on things at IAA too. But, and I know some people that are IAA people right now that bid on IAA are like, no, TK, do not show these people IAA because y'all like getting y'all's cars cheap. And I respect that. But nah. I gotta show the people, man. Stop hating. Oh.
Time extended. Sold.
94.25. You got a 16 Focus.
Sale pending.
1150.
Reserve off.
There we go.
Time extended. Sold.
There you go. Boom. 150 bucks, runs and drives. I mean, you'd have to put some skin on those doors, but damn.
Sale pending.
175 bucks. There you go. It's a Prius. Ooh. Nope. That's a no for me, dog.
Sale pending.
Yeah, no. A QX50 and... Ooh. Oh, look at them bid that up. It's at 1,000. It's worth 17. But that... Wow.
Sale pending.
That thing went cheap. Here's that Cadillac. $325, runs and drives. 130,000.
Sale pending.
350 bucks. Look at that, man. Well, anyways, guys, I just wanted to give you guys a little bonus video today showing you guys the auction
Sale
over at
pending.
IAA. Another one went for $11.50. We'll see what this Avalanche goes for with no motor, and then we'll ride on out. They're tripping though. 175. You can swap a motor into it, though, and just keep it moving. Man.